Yo, what's up everybody? In this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can hide likes on your Instagram post. So it's pretty simple. You can only hide likes on your Instagram post. If you think that, then no. You can also hide your, view count, which means let's say you uploaded a video and you don't want people to know like how many views it got. You can also hide the view count as well. And I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can do that in today's video. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, want to step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question relating this video, you can ask us in the comment. Now let's jump into the video without any further ado. So first, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can do it for an individual post. All right. So let's say I want to hide the like count. So what I can do is click on the three dot right beside the post at the top and click on where it says hide like count. What it does is it hides the like count. As you guys can see at the bottom, it says one other, and that has been removed instantly after I turned on that feature. So that's for individual post. If you want to do it for like entire post, if you have like thousands of posts, doing it individually is going to be hard. So there's also a setting through which you can do it in one, button. So for that, you can click on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you're over here on your profile, click on the three line at the top, go on setting. Once you're in setting, you want to go on privacy, and on privacy you can see the option called posts. Click on it, and at the top it says like and views, hide like and view counts. You can turn it on, and every single like and view count is going to be hidden. So I'm going to go over here, it's hidden, and I'm going to go over here, it's hidden over here. So just like this. All right, so for me in my screen I can see 11 views, but if you are like any other person, you can't see that. All right, so hope you guys understand how you guys can hide your like and view count. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. One to step. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.